1. Go to Google Drive. Using any web browser on your computer, visit the Google Drive page. Sign in if you aren't already logged in. Upon logging in, you will be brought to the main drive or directory. All your folders and files on Google Drive can be accessed from here. 2. Click New and select File Upload. Your computer's File Explorer will open. Navigate through your folders and go to the one that contains the pictures you want to store on Google Drive. Click on all the pictures you want to upload. You can click on one to select it, but to select multiple, press and hold Ctrl, Windows, or CMD, Mac, and click more than one file. 3. Click Open. The selected pictures will then be uploaded to Google Drive.